Okay, hello everyone. In this last activity of our second unit, we're going to cover some concepts that are related to publishing your website to the web. Okay, so basically, whenever we want to go to a website, right, the first thing to do is like enter here the URL. For example, if I want to go to, I don't know, mail.itesm.mx, we enter the name, the address, and click intro. Okay, and then we are taken and shown to this site, right? So the case is that now that you have built your website, okay, it is important to consider that the only one that can see it is you, and in that case me, if you already sent me your homework, right? But if you're interested on publishing your site for the world, let's say, what you need first is to define the address, or what is known as the domain of your site. Okay, the domain is a name, an address, right? For example, we have this one, https www.magicworkhost.com, okay, where the http is a prefix, www is subdomain, Magic Workhost is the name, or the entire domain is including the .com, the extension. Depending on the extension is the type of site that we're talking about, okay? Because there are several extensions with initials of countries, or the ending org, that basically is for a non-profit organization, etc. So you need to define this domain name. To define it, basically you have to pay for the time that you're planning to use this domain name, okay, to make it available for everyone, for the entire world. Okay, that is the first thing, that you need to publish your website. Second thing is you need to find what is called a web hosting provider, okay? This is basically a business that provides these computers, this service of servers, or big computers that have a huge amount of storage, okay, where you can send your files, and then these files will be available for everyone, okay, for the access of everyone on the internet, okay. So again, you would be paying for the time that your site will be available, will be hosted or stored there on the servers, and for the amount of for the size of storage that you will be handling on the server, okay. And well, that is the second thing that you would need to publish your website, a hosting service. I don't know if you have heard, but they exist many websites that offer this hosting task for free, okay. Truly it's not for free, because basically you would have some advertisement usually in your pages, in the pages that you publish there, okay. So that is one thing. The other is that they don't offer security that the sites where you pay really offer, okay. It's a service that they offer, but here you don't have those services. In this case, guys, just for this activity and for you to have the practice, we're going to use a free hosting service, right? That is this one, okay? The 000webhost.com, okay? I would like you to please enter this address, okay? This is just a trial, but it's for you to have this experience of publishing your site to the web, okay. So enter here, please, okay, www.000webhost.com, and here you will need to sign up with whatever user you want. It doesn't need to be your ITESM account, but whatever, you can use Facebook or a Google user. I'm going to use one account that I already created, okay. Let me try. So once that you define your user, oh my gosh, let's see if I remember the password. Okay, there it goes. No. Okay, hopefully it's going. Once that you can log in, you should start saying here, create a new site. Okay, for this site, guys, I would ask you, use the name that you want. Just at the end, you're going to send me, please, your link by Blackboard. Okay, so I'm going to call this one, for example, testing. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, whatever name you want to assign, could be with your ID number or whatever name that is good for you to make this trial. Please save this password. Okay, save it because you will need it, and say create. Okay, in the case that the site already exists on the page, you will notice it by the message that appeared here. Okay, I don't know if you saw it, but it showed a message that the site already exists. So let me add another number and let's try. It takes a moment to create your site, but it's going. Okay, fine. Once that you are taken to this page, you can go to Tools, okay, say File Manager, and here click on Upload Files. Okay, the site that we will be uploading is the one that you created on your previous activities. Okay, so you should have your files stored on a folder. In my case is this one, and what I will do is just pass the HTML files, dragging and dropping them into this folder, public HTML. Just simply drag them here, please. Okay, make sure that you have an index page. If you don't have an index page, your site won't work. Okay, there it goes. And then you will need to create your folder of images here. So I will say new folder, this is images. I say create. There it goes. Then inside of the folder of images, you will need to again drag all the pictures that you had there. Okay, so let me select them all and simply drag them inside of the folder of images. Please just make sure that you are in that folder, truly. Okay, we say upload. Maybe the process didn't finish correctly. Let me retry. Go File Manager, upload files. Okay, these are the disadvantages of using a free web hosting provider. Okay, it's not that stable as if you were paying for the service. Check it, it didn't upload. Okay, so there we go again. Okay, we say upload. There they go, one by one. Okay, and finally we are done. Okay, so then the next thing to do that I recommend you to do is return to the web host, to the initial page. Okay, this one where you click just the logo, and here you can click your site link. Okay, check it. This link, guys, includes the keyword web host app. Okay, that is kind of an advertisement of the 000 website service, right? And it includes also the name that I assigned to my page, to my site. So there it goes. Basically, this is the link that I'm waiting to receive by Blackboard. Okay, the link of your site. And here, if you click, check it out. Okay, basically we did it. Okay, now our site is living on the web. Okay, so you can access it and anyone with the link will see it. Okay, so congrats, you already did it. You have published, if you haven't any other time, your first website to the web. Okay, Well, thank you so much for your attention, guys. I hope that you don't have any issues, but in case of anyone, any question, I will be happy to help you by mail or by our discussion forum, okay, on Blackboard. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.